Hey, I have something interesting to share. A few years ago, I had built a solar-powered battery generator that I was going to use for emergencies, but since I've got this greenhouse set up just off my house here, I'm going to need to heat this in the winter, and I don't want a big electricity bill. So, although this is only 200 watts and it isn't really going to heat anything, it's going to mimic the 200 watt aquarium heater that I'm going to use with a big trash can of water in here as a heat sink to keep it warm. And so here I have this set up right now. This is a little temperature sensor that feeds into this box, and I can set the temperature that I want this heater to come on at a certain temperature, whatever temperature I say. So, and this will work when the aquarium heater comes. So here's my solar panels right outside, which I can move if I want. And then here is the battery generator that I built a few years ago. Here's the inverter. This is a 1,000 watt inverter, so that would drain these batteries super fast. So I only want to use about 200 watts so that it will last. But this system is very efficient. It works really well. The solar panels get plugged in here. This is like a meter that's keeping track of my amps and watts in and out. This is a low voltage sensor. It must have came unhooked from the battery, but it'll go off if I get to low voltage. This is a breaker, so I can turn this off if I want. That controls the inverter to make it so that I can plug things into this, and the solar panels will charge the batteries. These are deep cycle batteries, and I forgot all the mathematical things that go into how much power this can provide and blah de blah. I forgot all that. I have all that somewhere, but this is a really great way to, basically power my greenhouse and keep it warm. I'm gonna focus on cold weather crops for this greenhouse, like beets, carrots, small potatoes. I have big containers that they're gonna go in. I have four big containers like that black one right there, and I will focus on anything that can grow in cold weather, like lettuce. There's all sorts of different things, but that's what's going to be in this little greenhouse. And at night I can keep it from getting too cold when it's below zero. So I'm excited to see how this is going to actually function, but for now, until it gets too cold, I think this little heater will probably at least keep it decent enough just so that I can sprout some seeds. We'll see. I don't know, but I'll post more when the aquarium heater gets here and I fill up a big trash can of water and keep that water heated, and that will provide enough heat for this to keep everything from freezing.